haga jing beteng jong jing yaki jongki ka Voice of the People's Party haga jing lam jong ba Ardent mila basoy mat president but MLA ka nongkrem haga step jong ka arpu arterik ukalalin kon arjar rapsaw kat badang ya ka jing tainya habdeng ki officer but kidkhot jong ka VPP Hashua bakin torcha Secretariat bandawa nak sarkar bantung kambyang yaki officer ka Meghalaya lokayukta ki blasha wengkam dangshen nakaliang jong uteyu nong yelam uloong baki bor pulet kilak ban bom Jngem ni Siat yaki Hynrei kin Beit Secretariat.
If we feel that we are going to create trouble, this is a democratic expression of opinions. And you can arrest. No, there is a law that you can arrest person on the preventive detention. You can arrest us if you feel that we are going to create trouble. If you feel that you have sufficient ground to proceed with this Section 144 CRPC, you go ahead. No, you are just doing what the master told you to do. Simply that. We know. So you apply your mind. Your political master will go one day. You will be continued in your service.
We are following orders,
but don't follow the unlawful order. This is unlawful. The Supreme Court has stated clearly that you cannot invoke Section 144 CRPC just to prevent legitimate expression of opinion and grievances. We are expressing our legitimate grievances where the government has removed those officials from the Lokayukta, an institution which has been brought to contain corruption, to deal with corruption.
Sir, banyak kali kata Jngem yang itu official law kata sah, kadang nak kawin kalat sah. As a respected.
You tell me what is kaya kata kalat?
Kalat sah siap. Nak beli kenduk in a peaceful way.
This is violent. Atiar, is this violent?
Ngam musim violent sah. Ngam violent. Balum beriu, bibun beriu, bilik Shillong tak kalau nada sah kadang hati.
Hey kata kalau nada tu peningkan. Hey kata kalau nada.
Hakas ni sah, hakas ni Friday Bawan Honorable Home Minister. Kuma ketua ni sah. Kami kios bagi Khmat.
You mean to send a message to Delhi that everything is fit and fine in Meghalaya when the state is becoming the poorest state in the northeast? Yes, everything is fine.
Partai social media
no.
Kamdan cuk beri.
Kamdan cuk beri. Tapi pensul eran. Paling ini ka darab jot ya kata ke Shillong Meghalaya.
Hari hari cuk upor, because internet kan tu Jngem harga Friday ru bahasan wrong message negative message yang ni belong plenary committee job NC.
Kadon kabha belong kita. Bagi
kita toleran dengan represent wrong message. The right message not
yang siapa ni
kamdai ka wrong message kadai ka right message. They should know the truth. The central leadership should know the truth. Mdai ban sudarap jot repair di surat tang perwan ke central leadership ka tarong ka igidukan.
Sir, all those issues.
We cannot afford to tolerate this kind of hypocrisy.
Itu baru issues lah.
You
are a representative. You can raise that issue through a personal meeting, through a courtesy meeting with the.
Who are you to explain me how to raise? You think I don't know? Know your limits. Okay. We know. You just do your job. If you are instructed to arrest us, you arrest. If you are instructed to lathi charge us, you do that. Then you will see. And I will see who has the courage to put a first stick on our bodies. Ngin ko ajing kelumar, ka ko ajing kelumar ke sarkar. Ka ko ajing kelumar ke district administration. Dan kami kata kani kampun wit to phimot banong bakan kham ku ka suk kan kham jai le ding song nang ni inum khi nang ni ti beli ngim la bani ai bani kendu yo officer bla funing ang ongan dia kendu dangal ai kendu ong tu ngin sekren den ngin sai rai menu ban song hang ni hang nu ngin song menu bani kendu ngim la ban rai What we are telling you, we are not going to create problem. We have already mentioned it is going to be a peaceful demonstration. Do you understand peaceful demonstration? Not with this. Okay, not with guns. Not with covering your faces. We don't have that kind of intention. Dari pi so artian pi so tikna yung itap tiar line up yung i-check yung i-way.
Em sah, benar. You are putting
Dia nak kata tahu konvi kata ngalak ada keren. Bala ki government kimla ki government. Oh, ni kimte ki kena red. Deal in this way. And what will happen if we decide something which is more serious?
That won't happen, sir.
Will you be able to handle the situation, or will you ask? Just give order to fire and lathi charge. That is what you are waiting for. The way you are preparing. Never.
We will not allow. Our future is at stake.
We want to show to the world that as a party, the leaders will take the front lead.